Jarad, this is Adrien Moore, Loganville Ford. You emailed in over the weekend on this nice 2016 Ford F-150 XLT EcoBoost with the FX4 package. Lifted, ready to go. It's got a 6-inch lift, super aggressive tires, tinted windows. This vehicle is ready to go, excellent condition, looks good, just missing you in it. 2016 Ford F-150 FX4 package, Jarad. Come and get it. Oxford white, black cloth interior. It's got the off-road package. Very nice truck, Jarad. Wow, look at that. Jarad, this is Adrien Moore, Loganville Ford. Before I go, let's take a look in the inside. Look at that. Doesn't get any better than this. Spin around to the back. Got your DVD players on each side. How nice is this? Again, Jarad, this is Adrien Moore, Loganville Ford. Give me a call. 770-554-9994. 770-554-9994. Here's our 2016 Ford F-150. Let's get together and make it happen. Talk to you later.